Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm Szenan-Balance from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now today I'm going to show you a case which I use WuYunLiuQi to diagnose for headache. And I diagnose by using WuYunLiuQi as well as giving herbs according to my diagnose, right? So let's start. Disclaimer. You must read and agree with this before you start this video. Now let's have a look. WuYunLiuQi, we need the patient's date of birth, right? So we talked about previously. If you haven't watched the previous video, please go ahead and watch the previous video, right? Then this patient called me and said that he suffered from headache, right? So headache is for a few weeks. Now I didn't get much other information. I didn't actually ask more, right? I said, alright, headache, right? I pull out the date of birth on my data and got it as 1959 and 56. Year of 1956, May 15, right? And he called me actually on the 2nd of May, right? Which is 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Today is the 4th of May, right? So I ran to those two websites. Unfortunately, it's in Chinese, okay, but I can teach you and show you how to do it properly and how to calculate it. It needs to spend some time to learn, but it's easy. Everyone can do that, right? So I put the website on and I check it on the website and I got the result within few seconds, and maybe 30 seconds, get both of them, yeah, and put it all together. So it's so quick. Within 1 minute, you get all this thing, or 30 seconds, you get all this thing. It's very quick and easy. And let's have a look on WuYun. And on the birthday, WuYun, water excess. And Shi Tian is 少阳, xiang fire. And 在权 is 厥阴 wind, wood. And 主气 is 厥阴 Jun, fire. And 客气 is 太阴 damp, earth. Damp, which another way we call wet. Okay, so wet and wet, right? And dry, you know. The other one is dry metal. Now, at between May 21st and March 21st and May 21st. And between those and those days, any date that fell in this period, and it will be this WuYun, alright, which is WuYun is metal excess, which is dry metal, right? And Shi Tian is 少阴 Jun, fire, and 在权 is Yangming, dry metal, right? There's two metal, right? Metal excess metal, dry metal too. And 主气 is 少阴 Jun, fire, and 客气 is 太阴 damp, earth, right? Alright, we have 10 factors in here. We're going to go through an analysis. Now I put it in here, as you can see. Let's talk about a little bit in here, right? It's metal, wood, earth, water, and fire. The reason I put it in here, like step by step, metal first, because metal against wood, earth, and wood, wood against earth, earth against water, and water against fire, right? So that's why I put it step by step, because you can see how they even it out, and you can see how they balance each other in the end, right? Let's have a look. Dry metal. On the birthday of WuYunLiuQi and the period of between those two dates of WuYunLiuQi, how many dry metal do they in this case has, right? 2 dry metal. Let's have a look. Metal excess, 1 metal, and dry metal, that's 2 metal, right? 2 metal. 2 wind wood. Is it right? Let's check it out. And there's 1 wind wood That's one in here. Where's the other one? Dun, 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 dun. I missed the other one. One in here. Ah, I did miss it, right? Okay, I just realized that I actually put it wrong over here. According to Chinese over here, I don't know why, how I did it wrong. It's actually 绝阴风木 in this one. 绝阴 windward. Right. So over here. Now, this is 绝阴 windward. This is 绝阴 windward as well. 2 windward. Right. Now, how many damp earth? Let's have a look. 1 damp earth. How many cold water? Cold water. Yeah, water excess. That's cold water. 1 cold water. How many fire? So, 香 fire is fire. 君 fire is fire. So, they both fire. So, we count it as fire. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fire. Right? What about the diagnose? Let's have a look. Metal against wind, right? 2 metal, 2 windward. Metal against wood. 2 wood, 2 metal, that evens out. 1 damp earth and 1 cold water. And earth against water. 1, 1, that even it out. What have we got left? That is fire. And how many fire do we have in here? 4 fire, alright. Simple, right? We know this is the constitution for the patient. And this is the constitution right now, right? So both of 10 factors together to diagnose this, and we got fire. So I would say it's the fire that causing the headache. And that's how Chinese medicine diagnose, right? Right? Okay, let's go to the next page. And how do we treat it? Now, this is the diagnose. Sorry, that should be 4 fire. I put it 2, yeah. That should be, but whether it's 4 fire or 2 fire, it doesn't matter. We know is the fire excess, right? Fire excess. Too strong on fire. Then what is the principle? Reduce fire. That's simple, right? Now, what about herbs? Can I give a herbs? Yes. In this case, because he got some herbs at home, and I asked him, what sort of herbs do you have at home? Then he told me he had 竹叶石膏汤. Right, great. 竹叶石膏汤. 竹叶石膏汤 formula is a classic formula, right? I asked him to take 7 grams morning and night time, twice daily. Then external use of what? 三黄泻心汤. What 三黄泻心汤 formula is actually for reduce the heat in the heart and small intestine, right? A great formula. But it's so bitter because it's got huang lian and huang qing and da huang in it, right? It's so much bitter. I said, well, let's use it for external use. Use it for shower, right? So both together. What about the results? So he report to me today. It's 4th of May. Report that he is much better. He's much better. And only a bit of headache. That's it. You know, weeks of headache. And how do I treat him? I can't get herbs. I can't take pills because we are due to the coronavirus, we are in the lockdown period of day 35 or 36 right now. Yeah, today. I can't even remember. But hey, WuYunLiuQi is a way to diagnose patient and use herbs. I think it would be the best way to learn it and practice it, and it can still accurately diagnose patient and suggest patient the best herbs. And it doesn't matter what you use, you know. the harder thing is to get the diagnosis right. To get the right diagnosis right. I've been using it since the lockdown time, and all my patients, by using WuYunLiuQi to diagnose and to give herbs, all of them get better. All of them get good results, right? So stay awesome, and I love you all. Please, if you're on YouTube, look at here and press the subscribe button and ring the bell beside so you won't miss any of my video in the future. If you're interested in learning WuYunLiuQi, please just follow me and I'll show you more and more cases in the future. And hopefully one day that I can present it in one workshop and you can join in. Stay awesome, and I love you all. Bye bye.